It's Monday, about noon. It looks so sad. Everything is empty. Here, tent is all alone. Casino is there, but there's no action. Something happened yesterday, because in the morning I went to a grocery store which is across the street over there, and this was all full with cars. There's several tables of poker and other games. There was action. What happened here? There's security guard. I can ask him, but basically looks like that it's over. Yep, tent is empty. This looks very sad. I asked security guard what happened. Governor's order. Closed for 3 weeks till January. So December, no poker in Fresno. I'm just wondering, I saw yesterday there were tables open at Bakersfield. So that's my maybe next stop. Or should I switch to coast, go over the mountains to Santa Barbara, and on the way stop at Chumash, because it's Indian casino and they don't give a fuck about governor. That they knew some. It's enough of this. So I like my stay here. Nobody harassed me here really on a parking lot for 3 weeks, full 3 weeks, and game, excellent game. I think this is the best game west of Mississippi that I found so far in my experience. I'm gonna hit the road, back a little bit, stop at Walmart, get the water. I need water, and then I'm gone. See you at the next stop. So now there's a line to enter Walmart, one by one. 6 feet, another bullshit. Revolution. And I'm out of Fresno. Casino is closed. Bakersfield looks like also closed. On Bravo they're not showing any tables. So time to move to Nevada. In a day or two I'll be in Nevada and hopefully hit to Las Vegas soon. So long for now. Oh, I almost forgot. Top 5. Here's a fast list. I'm driving. Can't talk too much. Rock poets. Number 1, we know, Bob Dylan. Number 2, Leonard Cohen. Number 3, Jim Morrison. Number 4, Lou Reed, the real poet. Number 5, Patti Smith. That's all. Bye-bye.